How to add a blur in Snapseed. To add blur in Snapseed, start by opening the app and tap on the screen. Select the image that you want to add blurriness on. Once the image is loaded, tap on Tools menu which is located at the bottom of your screen. Now choose for Lens Blur. After selecting Lens Blur, you will see two circles on your image. The area inside the inner circle remains sharp while outer area gradually blurs. You can adjust the size and position of the circle by pinching or dragging them. If you want a stronger or softer blur, then slide the screen to right or left side to adjust the blur strength. Once you are satisfied, tap the check mark to apply the effect. To save your edited image, tap on Export and click on Save. Now tap on Modify. And that's it guys, we have successfully added a blur effect in Snapseed. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye bye.